Hey everyone. In this quick walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to add live chat to your Google site using Testmator. It's super simple, and by the end, your visitors will be able to message you in real time. So, yeah, let's get started. First, head over to testmator.com. This is the tool that lets you add a modern live chat widget, and it works great with Google sites without any coding. Once you're on the site, sign up or log in. After you log in, look for the option that says Create Widget or New Live Chat. Testmator keeps it pretty simple. Just choose the live chat module and give it a name, like your website or your business. Next, you can customize the look. Pick your colors, change the icon, update the welcome message, and all that good stuff. You don't have to go crazy here, but it's nice to make it match your Google site. Once you're happy with the design, go ahead and grab the installation script. Just copy the full code Testmator gives you. Well, yeah, the whole snippet. Now, hop back into your Google site. In the top right area, click the little gear icon for settings, and then choose Custom Code. Paste the Testmator script into the footer section. That's where Google Sites allows live chat scripts to run. After that, publish your site like normal. Open the live page in a new tab, refresh once, and you should see the chat widget pop up. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a few seconds. Sometimes the script needs a moment, and that's all you need to add live chat in Google Sites using Testmator. Super quick, super clean. If you want more tutorials like this, stick around for the next one. Thanks for